Co-founder of Apple Incorporated, Steve Jobs is more than a famous figure. He represents imagination, determination, and extraordinary business insight. His rise from a college dropout to the visionary who reshaped modern technology shows how far dedication, innovation, and an obsession with excellence can take a person. Let's dive into the remarkable journey of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was born on 24 February 1955 in San Francisco, California. From childhood, he displayed strong curiosity and a genuine fascination for electronics. During his time at Homestead High School, he met Steve Wozniak, an electronics genius who shared the same passion. The two began tinkering with circuits and gadgets in a garage, an effort that later became the defining spirit of Silicon Valley. Jobs joined Reed College in 1972 but left after one semester due to financial challenges. However, dropping out didn't stop his learning. He continued attending classes that inspired him, such as calligraphy, which later influenced the elegant typography and design of Apple products. In 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple Computer Incorporated. Their first creation was the Apple I, built by Wozniak and sold by Jobs. This marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey. Apple soon introduced revolutionary devices like the Macintosh, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, each transforming its respective industry. Success did not come without challenges. In 1985, Jobs was removed from Apple by its own board. Instead of giving up, he went on to form Next Computer and purchased Pixar Animation Studios. Pixar, under his leadership, produced iconic films like Toy Story and Finding Nemo, while Next eventually became essential to Apple's revival. Jobs returned to Apple in 1997 when the company was on the verge of collapse. His bold ideas and sharp vision revived the company, leading to breakthrough products. With innovations like the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, Apple became a global leader and eventually the world's most valuable tech company. Jobs was famous for his relentless demand for perfection. He once said, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." His focus on creating products that were not only functional but also beautifully designed and easy to use set Apple apart. This design philosophy continues to influence the tech world today. Steve Jobs passed away on 5 October 2011, but his influence remains powerful. His life story inspires millions to think creatively, pursue their dreams, and stay committed even during difficult times. Steve Jobs' journey is that of a visionary who overcame obstacles in his quest to revolutionize technology. His life teaches us to dream boldly, persist through failures, and strive for excellence in everything we do. His legacy proves that with passion, creativity, and determination, anyone can leave a lasting mark on the world.